Difference between Z-shape and S-shape growth curve. J-shape growth curve. It refers to population growth whose rate is proportional to size of population over a specific period of time. It refers to a population growth whose rate decreases with the increasing number of individual. Population occur in Z-shape. Population occur in S-shape growth manner. Growth depend on the size of the population. Growth depend on the size of the population, competition, and the amount of the resources. It occur when resources are limited or unlimited or abundant. It occurs when the resources are limited. It has two phase, lag phase and log phase. It has four phase, lag phase, log phase, deceleration phase, and stationary phase. Population exceed carrying capacity. Population never reaches carrying capacity. Growth seldom reaches a stationary phase, rarely becomes stable. Growth reaches a stationary phase. It causes an explosion of population. It causes relatively constant growth in the population. Population crash decline occur due to mass of mortality. Population crash decline occur very rarely. It is applicable to any population that does not have the limitation for the growth. It is applicable to any population that comes to its carrying capacity. It may be summarized mathematically as dn dt is equal to ছোট হাতের r বড় হাতের n. It may be summarized mathematically as dn dt is equal to ছোট হাতের r বড় হাতের n, k minus n divided by k is equal to ছোট হাতের r n 1 minus n by k. The growth form of some insect, algae, annual plant, etc. Example: the growth form of yeast, duckweed, brittle, microbe, man plant. The J-shaped growth curve can be represented as এটা J, এটা S. Population dispersion or structure or internal distribution pattern. Population dispersion is defined as in what process the individual are distributed in nature. Under natural condition, organisms are distributed either by active movement or migration or by passive transport by wind, water, and other organisms. The act or process of dissemination is usually termed dispersal, while the resulting pattern of distribution is best referred as dispersion. Dispersion is the basic characteristic of population, controlling various features of their structure and organization. It determines population density. This is the number of individuals per unit area volume. Individual in a population may be distributed according to broad three patterns: random, uniform, and clumped. Random distribution is relatively rare in nature, occurring in the place where the environment is very uniform and there is no tendency to aggregate. Or random distribution occur when resources are distributed evenly or sporadically. Example: when dandelion seeds are dispersed. Random distribution is relatively rare in nature, occurring in the place where the environment is very uniform. There is no tendency to aggregate. Or random distribution occur where resources are distributed evenly or sporadically. Example: when dandelion seed dispersed by wind. Random distribution will often occur as seedling land in the random place determined by uncontrollable factor. Oyster larvae can be travel hundreds of kilometers powered by sea current, which can result in the random distribution. Solitary animal with large territory: bear, tiger, raccoons. Uniform distribution occur where competition between individuals is severe or where there is positive antagonism, which promote even spacing. Example: penguins often exhibit uniform spacing by aggressively defending their territory among their neighbors. Some plants also exhibit uniform distribution. Salvia leucophylla is a species in California that naturally grow in uniform spacing. This flower release chemical called terpene, which exhibit the growth of other plants around it and result in uniform distribution. Some territorial animal, desert sabbras and redwood tree grow in uniform distribution. Sabbras compete for water while redwood compete for light. Farming and agricultural practice often create uniform distribution in areas where it would not previously exist. For example, orange trees growing in row on a plantation. Clumps distribution may occur if individual of population tend to form group, or it is found in places where resources are patchy. Animal need certain resources to survive, and when these resources become rare during certain part of the year, animals tend to clump together around these crucial resources. The inability of offspring to independently move from their habitat may also cause clumps distribution. This is seen in juvenile animal that are immobile and strong, dependent upon parental care. For example, the blood eagle nest of eagles exhibit the